This is the fastest way to get started vibe coding. You don't have to install anything or download anything or configure anything. It'll just work. So head over to Noco and sign up for a new account. You'll get dropped into your dashboard. We're going to click a new project here, and I'm going to select a vanilla Next.js template right here, and I'm going to just call this a test project, and I'm going to create a project. The thing about Noco is it will generate this template for you that already works, and it will work with you to understand what exactly you're trying to build here. So this is where your project's goal comes in. I'm going to skip this step, but normally you would be descriptive about the thing that you're trying to build, and then when your AI is going to actually start generating code, it references this goal and creates something a little bit more intelligent than, say, like a cursor or a lovable or bolt. And we're not interested in doing things in one shot, right? That's just unrealistic. This is going to be a back and forth between you and the AI. If you're new to vibe coding, you can build something or pick a template that is a little bit more fully built out. And that way you don't have to spend a lot of time configuring things that you don't really understand or know how to do. It'll come out of the box with the ability to sign users in, charge users, and you'll get much better results just vibe coding from here than you would say with like a cursor where it doesn't really have any context about what you're trying to build.